here's how we can go back on a Motorola Moto G56. So if you use 3 buttons for navigation, then of course we have a back button at the bottom of the screen, which can be located either on the right side or the left side. It is of course customizable, but you want to simply press on this triangle because this triangle is the back button. So if I, for example, go over here, I can go back by using this triangle button, and as you can see, I went back. However, we can also use gesture for navigation. And in this case, if you want to go back, the easiest way to do so is by simply swipe from the left side of the phone towards the middle. As you can see, we have this arrow indicating that we are about to go back. In theory, you should be also able to go back by swiping on from the right side of the phone like this towards the left side. As you can see over here, we can also find this button, and this should also work most of the time. But if for some reason it doesn't work in certain apps, then most likely you can just use this over here from the left side instead. And coming back to system navigation over here, if you use 3 buttons navigation, as I mentioned, you can change the position of the back button. You can tap on the setting icon in order to change the order of the back button here. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.